When we went out and we purchased the machine, we knew that we were going to be doing everything's from ladies' tank tops to kids' t-shirts, from large hoodies, large canvas bags. You can't print on them if you don't have the pallet to put it on. So one of the things we went out and said, the way we get to say yes to this is by purchase the pallet that we need to print that. We knew we needed the kids' pallets, and we definitely didn't want to do one because then we can only do one kid shirt at a time. The next thing is we were like, okay, we also need to do a slightly larger pallet. So we did the youth and the medium pallet. Some people might say, hey, that you probably could have got away with one. If you get a pallet that's too small, when you're putting it on there, you begin to lose registration a little bit because now you don't know exactly where it's hitting on every single one because you're not looking at those markers that you would be able to see on a larger pallet. Then you could see the neck hitting the same spot every single time. Accuracy is part of quality. If you're not hitting where you need to hit, your quality goes down. So one of the other things we bought was the hoodie pallet. Huge importance. We do a ton of hoodies. So we bought 2 hoodie pallets, so when we get those larger orders, we can actually blow through. We also made sure that we got the sleeve pallet. We want to be able to hit the different sleeve areas. The other one is the zipper hoodie. That one comes into play with polos. You don't normally think of printing on polyester polos because you really couldn't do it before, unless you were doing a ton of them. Well, we have a pallet that we can actually drop the zipper right into a little area, a bar goes over it, and then we can print. So as long as you're looking, you can find a pallet for what you're needing. And you can find something that's gonna give you a much better chance of being successful.